The conceptual idea came clearly and quickly. Suspend a glass box among the tree leaves on two trunk-like columns, disrupting as few oaks as possible. The house's entry is on the upper level, where a steel grate bridge leads to the north-facing front door and garage. Pam and Paul's house floats in the canopy of a dense oak grove on a steep site in Northern California, with vast glass expanses offering views of the treetops. The upper floor consists of a rectangular form connected to a sculptural volume, where natural light is guided through the foyer to the main level. An observation deck sits next to the roof covered with native grasses, alongside the volume clad in zinc panels and mirrored glass, which houses the garage and foyer. A metal staircase leads to the main level, revealing a light and airy space. Dark steel structural beams were left exposed, contrasting with white walls, floor-to-ceiling glass, and light gray concrete flooring. In the open concept living area, parts of the floor slab are sunken to create distinct spaces. A sunken office sits under the stairs. The lower floor resembles a wide box, with the south elevation cutting across the hillside at an angle. Curved corners accentuate the residence's unusual massing. The sunken living room is filled with 144 square feet of modules from a plush purple Tufty Time sofa by B&B Italia. The main living area cantilevers into the tree canopy, while the bedrooms, bathrooms, service areas, and storage are located behind a long wall of cabinetry along the hillside. This space is further defined by the use of LED strips embedded in the ceiling, drawing strong geometric lines of light reminiscent of a Dan Flavin sculpture, clearly visible from the outside when looking up through the leaves. Designed by the American studio Craig Steely Architecture, the two-story house hugs the hillside on one side, while the other side hovers over it, supported by robust pillars. The house sits at the boundary between suburbia and wilderness, balancing between these two worlds just as it does on the site. Just as before construction, mule deer rest in the shade of the cantilever, which now integrates with the continuity of the oak canopy. Gray squirrels run along the branches, and wild turkeys roost in the treetops, just 10 feet away from the kitchen table. The expansive glass surface creates a sense of permeability, disappearing to let nature remain, as it always has been in the grove.